Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will review a game called Light Eaters, which has been developed for iOS by Bright Lockers through crowdsourcing. I'll talk about what makes it different from other games in a while, but before that, have a look at the gameplay. Isn't this game amazing? In this game, you have to explore the perils and pitfalls of the night with the help of your flashlight. The goal of this game is to find all the necessary keys to get through the exit door while avoiding light eaters and before the nerve bar of the player gives out. Just explore the old factory, haunted house, and mystery castle and collect cool equipments and power-ups. You get to choose your look from more than 70 unique items. There are around 35 thrilling levels of the game which you have to survive. Play every level of the game and earn Bright Locker rewards every time you play. What makes this game different from other games is that it has been developed by Bright Locker, which is a crowdsourcing platform. At this crowdsourcing platform, you can share your creative game ideas and see them getting developed. All you need to do is sign up for the Bright Locker platform, and links for the registrations are provided in the description section below. One lucky person who comments on this video will get the code for downloading the game for free. Comment, like and share this video, and also please support us by retweeting the tweets link provided in the description section. If you don't have any gaming idea, then also you can be a part of this platform by casting your vote for ideas submitted by others. You can watch others create games and help in picking the next game that are professionally developed by Bright Locker. So by participating in game developing process, you will get the opportunity to interact with developers and get rewarded for your inputs. You can fund a game at Bright Locker and get to interact with the game's designers, artists, and producers. You will get a chance to earn rewards, achievements, digital currency, and even cash in every step of the way. If they build the game with your idea, you will get your share revenue too. So the process starts with people pitching their creative ideas to the community. It is followed by voting, and after a few rounds of voting, one game will remain and get the funding. The creator of the game will get to interact with the developers and get a share of the revenue after the game is released. Make sure that you guys check out the Bright Locker Grand Finals starting July 20th. It's your opportunity to vote on your favorite game ideas, and the winner will actually go into production for real. The finals will feature 30 games in total and will last approximately 2 weeks. Gamers will be invited to vote on their favorites. The top 5 voted games will be evaluated by Bright Locker for feasibility, and one will actually be put into production. Isn't that great? If you are passionate about gaming, then this is worth giving a try to see your games developed and being played by others. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself at their website using the links provided in the description section and be a part of Bright Locker community. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.